Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube. Today's an exciting day. We are at the beginning of a new month and we are announcing last month, the month of March, to give away a winner. You guys know how the drill goes. I've done this a few times now, so let's go. Okay, I'm not looking. Come to mommy. 5. Melinda Hall. Congratulations, Melinda Hall. You have won March's giveaway haul. Colourpop and Iluvsarahii eyeshadow palettes. You got all of the lippies, girl. You got 2 sets of 3 liquid lips and you have 3 lip liners. And you also have a Colourpop pencil sharpener. My mind went blank. I'm bad shooting today. I'm on number 4. Y'all just bear with me, okay? So yes, those are your winnings if you so choose to accept. And you of course qualify pending the giveaway rules in the description box of the giveaway video. So that's always exciting, giving away makeup to you guys. So this month's giveaway is actually going to be a little bit different. You guys know, if you saw my BoxyCharm unboxing, that there was a palette that I received that doesn't quite work for me. It is by the very reputable brand Cover FX. And because I cannot wear it, I am going to give it away to you. And that is the Cover FX Perfector Face Palette. It's got these beautiful colors with a mirror. This is for the skin tones light to medium. So if this color is going to work for you, or you just want it to do a giveaway on your own channel, or whatever you want to do with it, a giveaway as a gift, or whatever you want to do with it, this baby could be yours. And all you have to do to enter is follow the giveaway instructions in the description box below. Just a little update for you. I did contact their customer service, as I was saying in that video, and they did contact me back. They apologized for the inconvenience, and they said that there was shipping and things like that where a lot of people didn't get the correct color palette according to their beauty quiz results. So what they did is they, of course, allowed me to keep this palette, but in addition, they also gave me what they call charm points in the value of what this palette cost. And so I can use those points in the BoxyCharm charm room to get some other makeup items, maybe even this palette in my shade if they have it available in the charm room, or any other beauty, makeup, or skincare product that they might have in the charm room available to choose at that time. So that works for me, BoxyCharm. Go ahead and enter, don't delay, because you never know when your girl might be choosing. But you got to be subscribed. Don't forget, that is very important. But I'm switching it up this month because I don't want to do Colourpop only, and I don't want to do Colourpop every single month. I kind of want to throw in some other brands here and there, but Colourpop gonna be coming back, so y'all stay tuned. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I plan to keep rolling these giveaways, so stay tuned. Always enter, because you always got a chance, because that's just how it goes down on Brittany TV, okay? So I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one, which I will be shooting in about 60 seconds. Bye.